If cos A equal to 2 by 5, then find the value of 4 plus 4 tan square A. 4 plus 4 tan square A is equal to, if you take 4 common, it will be 4 into 1 plus tan square A. This is equal to 4 into, we know 1 plus tan square A is sec square A, so it will be 4 sec square A. And given that cos A is equal to 2 by 5, therefore we know cos is the reciprocal of sec. Sec A will be reciprocal of 2 by 5, it will be 5 by 2. So sec A is 5 by 2. So 4 sec square A become 4 into sec A is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 whole square. This is equal to 4 into 5 by 2 whole square. 5 square is 25 divided by 2 square is 4. 4 and 4 gone. This is equal to 25. So value of 4 plus 4 tan square is equal to 25.